All right, Miss Leah here is definitely in labor, for sure. I'll be sure to check up on her back and forth throughout the day. I think this baby's gonna be here real soon. She's having some back-to-back contractions. All right, Leah is on the verge of popping this baby out. We've got a water bag. Oh yeah. Almost. Oh, she's starting to. It's a little bull. Oh, that's awesome. Look at this baby. Starting to skip around. It's morning time, and I see, I guess that's Luann out there. I bet you anything there's puppies out there. Right now I'm looking, and all I see are little bitty Bobby Joe puppies. I don't see any marigold puppies. And unfortunately, this is the part of their training that I never am able to get on video because nighttime is a big work time for my dogs. They'll go out with their parents into the pasture doing their job, and well, it's nighttime and you just can't see what's going on. Oh, looks like we have some puppies here. We got 3 puppies with Marigold. Yeah, did you take your babies to work? And look at this. We got 2 of them right here on the other side of the fence in the pasture. That's exactly what happened. That's Hilda and Orange Boy. Hey, bud, was that fun? Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Did y'all go see the sheep? They're pretty far out there. That's awesome. Oh. There's the piggy. There's Butter. No playing with the piggy like that. I got stepped on. And by the way, me reprimanding that puppy is better than Butter reprimanding that puppy. There's Ryan. Hi. Luann, you're the best. Let's go see my little calf. Let's see if that baby's out here. Lefty, what are you doing? Why are you by yourself? Where's your buddies? What the heck? Somebody must be over there laying an egg. Ooh, we gotta go looking for a nest. Get her, Lefty. Get her. Oh, come on, everyone. Yeah, we're just hanging out with the cows, guys. That's Hilda. That's the little orange one. Let's see. Yellow, purple, Hilda. Are you orange or red? You are... Stop moving. You're orange. So when these babies whine like this, I do not comfort them. None of that. Everything is fine. And you'll just get over it. That's the attitude you gotta have. Don't ever coddle a puppy at any age for any stupid reason. A loud noise or whatever. If you do that, then through your own actions means you're telling them that they should be scared when they shouldn't. And then it just ramps them up. Orange, yellow, purple. I'm definitely noticing that purple has a lot of confidence. She tends to adapt to situations a little quicker. Doesn't mean that these puppies are not adaptable, but she's done that very young. She's happy to come out here, follow her parents. She doesn't whine quite as much. She's the puppy that came back out to the pasture with me and the adults, and she was out here, just her, with us. Alright, starting to get hot. Yeah, you agree? Let's head back. There she goes. Right up to the water. No big deal. Y'all just decided it's sheep duty today. These puppies have done so well with the chickens. The sooner you get them started on chicken education, the easier it is as they get older. So throughout the day, as the puppies are sleeping off the heat, they all hang out here on the porch and chickens hang out with them. And Kitty's gonna get you. Oh, cat. He is so tolerant. But he will put those puppies in their place. You see, when I give these puppies a pop for not acting right with chickens, for instance, that is nothing compared to what our roosters do to these puppies. Sometimes their parents, when they reprimand them, I mean, these puppies will really yelp and keep yelping. The little pops I give them are nothing more than shocking. They may give a single yelp, but it's not out of pain, I promise. No. Look at all these babies. We even have Bobby Joe puppies. Come on, puppies. That's little yellow. That's little purple. That's little red. There's orange over there. Alright, so these two are lovebirds right now, so we're going to steer clear of them. Come on, puppies. Come on, little ones. There's some little bitty ones right there. They're going to follow the kitty cat. So I do use this high-pitched, annoying voice to get the puppies excited at this age about coming out here to visit in the pasture. It's just because it's a kind of a big adventure for them at this age. You know, they feel like they're going pretty far. They've got such little legs. Look at Luann doing her job. But overall, especially at the age that you get your puppy, I do recommend toning it down on the high-pitched, high-energy voice. You actually want to, for the most part, set a good example of being lower energy. I never let these puppies get too excited or too high energy or play too hard. I mean, these are working dogs and they do have energy, but you don't want them expending that energy inappropriately. And often, look at that Bobby Joe puppy. Often, if you kind of rile them up a bit with too much energy and excitement, then they're gonna express their energy inappropriately. It is kind of unfortunate that these puppies were born in the midst of an extremely hot summer. It's not as easy to get them out into the pastures during the daytime. I love showing everybody footage, but you know. It's been a sweltering 105 here. I mean, it's brutal. Alright, so let me mention some personality traits. I mentioned it before, Purple Girl. She's the more confident one out of Marigold's puppies. Orange one, even though he stayed back, he's a good puppy. Him staying back at this moment is not indicative of anything in particular. I actually think Orange is kind of I think he's an intelligent boy. I always say intelligence in these dogs is one of those things that you can detect in their face. It's in their eyes. And he's got it. I mean, he does this little side-to-side head thing, and he gets that from his daddy. This boy's a pretty intelligent dog here. And I love intelligence in these dogs. They make better choices due to that added intelligence that they have. They're able to better assess situations rather than just go postal because they think something might be a problem or what have you. They've got better control over their instincts. Little red boy, he's a good all-around puppy. He's done particularly well with chickens is what I notice. I've found him cuddling with chickens on a number of occasions. I've yet to have any problems with him or have to do any reprimands with him, really. Yellow Girl is my more playful puppy, but she's done a good job of using her energy appropriately. Puppies! Come on, puppies! Luann, stop it. Luann! Come on, puppies! Come on, little ones! Got Bobby Joe baby. Bobby Joe baby. That is red, purple, and then Hilda's somewhere. It's getting too hot too quick, so we're not going to go to the sheep. I'm going to wait for them to come into this pasture. They're chasing cardinals. Look at this little Bobby Joe baby. Duke, Rye. Can you tell the difference? Great Pyrenees, Maremma, Lion's Mane. Yep, Duke is the boss around here. And much smaller, less dense coat on these guys. Longer snout, more of a box-headed shape. And Great Pyrenees have double dew claws. Some Maremmas can exhibit dew claws, but we only breed Maremmas that do not. Pyrenees also have a little curled tail. They'll lay it down straight, but when they're excited, it curls up on their back kind of like a chow. And that does not happen with the Maremmas. You'll also notice the back legs on Pyrenees. They seem to run on their tiptoes. The pad of their foot doesn't fully plant on the ground, and Maremmas are more flat-footed. The back legs also are more muscular on the Great Pyrenees. More of a slender setup on the legs for the Maremmas. Oh, that's the other thing with Great Pyrenees. Slobber for days. Got some Bobby Joe puppies out here. That's a marigold puppy. That's Red. Come on! That's Bobby Joe's baby. Alright, we got red, we got purple, and orange was coming out here. He turned back. I'm gonna ask my husband to grab orange and yellow and bring them out here. They're heading right out there. A Bobby Joe baby. There's another little Bobby Joe baby behind Hilda. Hilda, you're such a big girl. Livestock guardian kitty. That is Purple Girl, Bobby Joe, Hilda, Red. We got another Bobby Joe puppy somewhere over there. Orange, yellow, red, purple, Bobby Joe puppy, Bobby Joe puppy. Nice. Purple is definitely the confident one. Orange is the smart one. Red is the all-around well-behaved puppy. Yellow is a playful girl, but not playful with chickens. The two that are most adventurous, definitely Purple Girl. Most outgoing, most willing to come out into the pastures. Then Red, then Orange and Yellow, I would say, are about the same. Maybe Orange a little bit more, but I think this puppy fell in a crack. You did! You fell in a big old crack. Ooh, that's a really deep one. Come on. Come on. Look at those two Bobby Joe babies. And of course there's Purple. Right in the mix. You are Yellow. Being very patient and observant. She's funny like that. She's playful and then she'll sit down and act just the way she's supposed to with the animals. That's that's Red. And that's Orange over there. And little Bobby Joe baby right there in the scrub. Bobby Joe baby at my feet. We did an entire lap around this pasture, and it's a big pasture, as you can see. Look at this beautiful ewe. She's a ewe lamb. Can you believe that? Never had a baby before. She's not even that old.